Setting up the peep machines, huh, guy?
Oh, yeah.
The old XR80's getting some studs. The 110 has 500 studs in it. Oh, and she's gonna just grabbing traction. Custom light bar on that thing, too. What do you have to say to the folks?
Not much. What are we doing here? Dragging foot tag there, folks. Oh, I think he's got his knee down.
What do the folks have to say about that?
I don't know, I'd say it's pretty sweet.
Check the studs
Nice
out.
job showing the folks.
Check the studs out for the folks.
Show the folks. See that rear?
What do you think? A
That's
couple
the
bids at the island, drive over?
Yeah. Yeah.
What
Sick.
can we show the folks?
Sick. I don't know.
Should I launch down there?
Yeah.
Or down the...
Hands it. Right, let's get a close up there. Oh. Tosses it.
Oh. Oh. Does he tackles the new shifter. Take a look at that one, folks.
I can see it.
One ride.
No way that's stronger than stock. Check that something's a gun out. One crash.
They're not going to be shifting gears anymore, is all I got to say.
Still work?
I don't know, there's only one way to find out. Oh boy.
Where is he going? The roost on that thing. My hands are so